Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Then we have to scroll down again and localize a special number which is called build number. So let's go to the software information, and as you can see it is right here. So let's keep tapping on it until you see the information that you're in the developer mode, and be aware because if you've got the screen lock you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, but that's okay, no worries, just do it. Now we have to go back to the general list of the settings and go to system management and tap on developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can enter the background check, you can enable the strict mode, show view updates, change window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, etc. So quite a lot of things to do here. In order to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher next to it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can simply turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back again and enter system management, you can see that the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.